Hello everyone. My name is Bashir. Today we are doing debate here on an incredible topic, that is reservation. Is it good or bad? I believe that reservation policy, it is totally good. There are some reasons behind it. And my first reason is about equal opportunities. Earlier what used to happen that the people of upper caste, they used to get better education. They used to study in school where condition was awesome. They used to sit on benches. But at that time, lower caste students, they used to study in school where condition was not good. Even they were not provided benches to sit. They used to sit on floors. It was the condition. There was discrimination not only in terms of education but also in other ways, like in terms of business, in terms of job. There was discrimination. And now for removing that discrimination, we have a policy that is known as reservation. It is, I believe that it is a good policy. Because of this policy we have finished a lot of discrimination. If we compare from past, so we have finished a lot of discrimination. And in future one day will come when we will finish total discrimination. That's all about my first.
So, hello everyone. I'm Alishba, and today I'm delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you all and share my views on the topic that is reservation. Reservation should be or shouldn't be? Well, I personally believe so. Reservation should not be. Why? What is the reason behind it? Now, I want to tell to you all, and I will start with earlier. Means, as we all know that earlier there was discrimination on the basis of castes, and what used to happen earlier that British were available, and they used to do discrimination with SC, ST, OBC. Okay, I agree. But you know about upper caste people, means what was happening with them, means you know that when British were ordering, so at that time they were also not getting any kind of exemption and facilities, but they want to take exemption and facilities. That's why they take a favor of them, and that was compulsion. Okay, and after that Bhimrao Ambedkar came, and he saw everything what is happening, and he took action. After taking action, SC, ST, OBC people got reservation. And means as we can see today, you know that as we all know that here is a discrimination, means tell that upper caste people did wrong with government. Of course not. So why government didn't give upper means reservation to upper caste? It is the question here. Okay, and now I will tell that means as we all know that our country is democratic, and we have six fundamental rights, and out of six one is a right to equality. Okay, but it means you know that we have just right this. Means in real we haven't this. Means now we can take example. Means we can compare with SC, OBC people that they are getting more scholarship, and we are not getting more scholarship. Means we are not getting equal rights. Okay, so I will say that it
Okay,
should
sister, now let me
listen.
complete.
I will say that it should be removed, and it if it will not remove, so it should be continued.
Okay, now I would like to give her answer. According to her, she want to say that the people of lower caste, they are getting facilities now because of the reservation, and the people of upper caste, they are not getting facilities. And they are saying that the people of upper caste, they are saying that the lower caste people, they are getting benefits because of the reservation. So sister, when there was not reservation, when there was discrimination, so why the upper caste people, they don't, why they didn't say that we are getting facilities and this person who's from lower caste, they are not getting facilities?
Brother, you know
Why?
that British has gone, and now we should see and we should say to our government that it should not be. And you know that actually you are not understanding that it is fault of SC, OBC people also. How means if they will get means if they get reservation, so you know that what will happen that they will not understand that what is the value of education. Means they will study just so and so, and after that they will give exam, and after that they will pass very easily, and after 12th they will get a good job, and one day they will get a post. And but you know that what will happen that educated person will not come any kind of job, they will not get this. And you know that Another countries one day another countries will say that it is illiterate country. You want to listen this? Of course not.
Listen now. Let me show one thing. Listen. Suppose this is a black hole. Suppose this is a black hole. And now I would like to ask that what is this? Tell me. See, this is the mentality of the people. In front of her, there is a big whiteboard, and however, she is noticing this.
You have said that it is black
Let me
hole.
complete. Let me complete. Let me complete. This is the mentality of the people. They always. I'm not talking about just her. All of us, we just focus on the disadvantages of anything. We never see the advantage of that policy or that thing. And she, according to her, she's not noticing that we have finished a lot of things through the reservation. We have finished discrimination.
Brother,
Sister,
you
let
have
me
said
complete.
that
Listen
it is
to me.
gold. It is
Listen
black
to me.
gold. Yes.
Listen.
I'm right.
Suppose you are from lower caste
Yes.
and I'm from upper caste. If I will order you, how will you feel? Tell me how you will feel if I will not allow to you go inside the hotel where the people of upper caste they do dinner or lunch. How you will feel? Definitely bad.
First tell that you belongs to OBC. SC, ST, OBC you are. You are not. General you belongs
Yes.
to general. So how can you say that SC, ST, OBC people is good? Means they are getting reservation and it is good. How can you say?
Sister, it is good because now they are getting rights to do anything. They have right to do anything that they can do. Earlier they had not right. They used to go on the road and the people of upper caste. They used to say that it is our road. You cannot go. You cannot walk on this. They have their personal. Sir, what we will call like where the colony type. They have their personal colony. We can say society. And the people of upper caste they used to live